Today we are looking at budgeting. Now, a budget is an estimate using how much you earn, your income, and how much you spend, your expenses or expenditure. So a personal budget's great to help you make financial decisions. The expenses in a personal budget can be divided into fixed and variable or discretionary. Fixed means they are regular payments and they remain unchanged. For example, rent, mortgage, medical insurance, car rego, regular payments. Whereas variable expenses are not regular and they are also considered to be not essential. Now, the way that you save money is you reduce your discretionary or variable expenses to save. So we're going to go through the worked example now using this information in the table. We're going to calculate the total of fixed expenses. Note that Carla views health insurance, house contents, and car insurance as important expenses, and their regular payments are fixed. So we're going to go through and find, is there anything else that is a regular payment? We have rent, that would be regular payment, and that is what we have so far. So to find her total fixed expenses, we would add her rent, her health insurance, her home and contents, and her car insurance. And that equals $629. I'll put that over here. So we're then going to go through and find out how much discretionary expenses does she have. Now, if that information highlighted are her fixed expenses, the leftover money should be her variable expenses. So to find her total variable expenses, we would get her total expenses, which is $1,324, and we would subtract the fixed expenses, which are $625, and that would show us what is left over. So she has $695 worth of discretionary expenses. So we're now going to look at her savings. How we get her savings is we use her income and we subtract that by her expenses. And remember, this table is already in fortnight form. So savings equals income, subtract expenses. Her income is $2,073, and we remove the expenses. So all up, her fortnightly savings are $749. So that's how much saving she could make per fortnight. If Carla wishes to take a vacation and travel to New Zealand, its estimated cost is $3,500. How many weeks does she have to save? Now, we can't forget that she saves $749 a fortnight. If we want to figure out what that is weekly, we need to divide that by 2. So 749 divided by 2 is $374.50. So that's how much she saves per week. How many weeks is it going to take her? Well, she wants 3,500. We're going to divide that by how much she can save per week. And the solution would be 9.3 weeks. And we're not going to do 0.3 of a week, so I would round that up to 10 weeks. So for Carla to travel to New Zealand, she'll need to save for exactly 10 weeks. And that is how you budget using income and expenses.